Guys, this is Ryan from Canadian Cards, live here on breakers.tv / Canadian Cards, live on Facebook Live, facebook.com / Canadian Cards, YouTube, Twitch, sportscardforum.com. We are doing break 235. It's a 4-box break out of a fresh case of 15-16 Upper Deck Ice. Gonna roll the dice. I have a free spot to give away. Between the two dice, it has to equal 5 or more. It's a team random. We're doing the names and teams after the free spot. Thanks to everybody for joining, and good luck. It's great to be able to broadcast along multiple platforms and have be able to do this break tonight for you guys. And let me get the backup camera rolling. There we go. All right, between the two 6-sided dice, we're going to roll it. Between the two, it has to equal 5 or more. That'll be a number of times I do the free spot and the names for names and teams. So we'll do one roll, determine the number of times between everything. We have a 6 and a 4. I'm going to go 10 times. So, read the names. It'll be 29 names on the first time. This will be for the free spot. Name on top after the 10th time we'll get the free spot, and then I'll do 10 times on the names and teams. So we have Jamie S, Eves L, Darren D, Kirk S, Dane O, Paul C, Darren D, Chad F, Jeff R, Eves L, Chad F, Alan A. Jr., William N. B., Shane N., Blue Whitey, Jeff R., Kirk S., Frank T.D., Jamie S., Jeff R., Ryan M., Dane O., Paul C., Blue Whitey, Kyle N., William N. B., Walt G., and Rob L. There'll be 29 spots. Name on top after the 10th time. We'll get the free spot into break 235. Good luck to everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Eves, congratulations, sir. Going to take you over. Free spot for this break was spot 30. So we'll go to the bottom of the list. Alright guys, this is Ryan from Canadian Cards. We just did the dice roll to determine this. We are going to go 10 times on the names, 10 times on the teams. It's the same list as I read before. Plus we added Eves L on the bottom. And we have the teams, which are in alphabetical order. Anaheim on top, Winnipeg on the bottom. We're going to do the names first. We're going to go 10 times. Good luck to everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Dane on top, Dane on the bottom, everybody else in between. Now we're going to go over to the teams. Going to go 10 times. Winnipeg on the bottom, Anaheim on top. Good luck to all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have Calgary on top, Toronto on the bottom, everything else in between. Here's your names and teams for break 235. We have Dano with the Flames, William N.B. with the Lightning, Darren D. with the Coyotes, Paul C. with the Wild, Eves L. with the Hurricanes, Kirk S. with the Penguins, Chad F. with the Blue Jackets, Shane N. with the Avalanche, Rob L. with the Flyers, Blue Whitey with the Red Wings, Darren D. with the Bruins, Kyle N. with the Sharks, Blue Whitey with the Kings, Walt G. with the Rangers, Eves L. with the Predators, Ryan M. with the Blues, Jeff R. with the Senators, Alan A. Jr. with the Jets, Jeff R. with the Blackhawks, Jamie S. with the Canadiens and Oilers, Frank T. with the Ducks, Kirk S. with the Capitals, William N.B. with the Panthers, Kirk S. with the Devils, Chad F. with the Canucks, Jeff R. with the Islanders, Eves L. with the Sabres, Paul C. with the Stars, Dane O. with the Maple Leafs. There's your names and teams for break 235. Give you guys 10 minutes for trading. If you guys can trade within Facebook Live and Breakers.tv, it'd be greatly appreciated. If you guys can slide over to Breakers.tv/Canadian Cards, and make it a whole lot easier to do the trading. 10 minutes for trading. 7:55 will bust us. This is Ryan from Canadian Cards, live on Breakers.tv/Canadian Cards, plus YouTube Live, Twitch, Facebook Live. Just want to thank everybody for joining. Also streaming on sportscardforum.com for all your forum needs for trading, selling, and buying. Check out sportscardforum.com. Live doing break 235. We just completed the randoms in the trade session. We have a 4-box break of 15-16 Upper Deck Ice. It's from a fresh case. Break 238, which is the second half of it, is posted on the website. Feel free to grab your spots, guys. It is Tuesday, January 3rd. Just want to wish everybody a Happy New Year. Thanks for filling this. Here's your names and teams. We have Dano with the Flames, William N.B. with the Lightning, Darren D. with the Coyotes, Paul C. with the Wild, Eves L. with the Hurricanes, Kirk S. with the Penguins, Chad F. with the Blue Jackets, Shane N. with the Avalanche, Rob L. with the Flyers, Blue Whitey with the Red Wings, Darren D. with the Bruins, Kyle N. with the Sharks, Blue Whitey with the Kings, Walt G. with the Rangers, Eves L. with the Predators, Ryan M. with the Blues, Jeff R. with the Senators, Alan A. Jr. with the Jets, Jeff R. with the Blackhawks, Jamie S. with the Canadiens and Oilers, Frank T.D. with the Ducks, Kirk S. with the Canucks, William N.B. with the Panthers, Kirk S. with the Devils, Chad F. with the Capitals. Kirk S. above in spot 23 had the Canucks in the trade. Just want to thank you guys for making the trade. And we have Jeff R. with the Islanders, Eves L. with the Sabres, Paul C. with the Stars, and Dano with the Maple Leafs. There's your names and teams for break 235. We have our good old sealed case. Gonna pull half of it out. The other half will be for break 238. Grab your spots in the store, guys. Front half we will take, there's your empty case, sorry, so you guys can see. Front half we're going to take for this break. Back half is for that. Just checking for our friendly little packages. There we go. Good luck to all. There we go. First box. Let's do this. Let's land some mojo. Get some hits to add to the huge pulls. We have base. Our first hit is Keegan Lowe, 1607 of 1999 for the Hurricanes. like to treat your guys' cards the way I like to treat mine. Good luck, guys. Great to have all yous joining in, watching. We have 239, or yeah, 239 of 399. Ryan Hartman, auto from Exquisite, going out to the Blackhawks. I'll get this uploaded for the guys that weren't able to watch it live. I have some guys out in the East Coast that aren't able to make it sometimes to watch it, so get it uploaded. It's streaming on Twitch, YouTube Live, sports card form, as I said. And there's that and that. I don't think there was a duel in there. No duel. We have Mike Condon, 060 of 299 going out to the Canadians. This break's also brought to you by BCW, Protect, Store, and Display. And of course I don't have 100s open. I go through a crazy amount of supplies doing this. Love every minute of the hobby, so it's well worth it. Have these shipped out to you guys tomorrow. Thursday breaks are posted on the website. We have 137 of 199. Sam Bennett, auto for the Flames. If I had my little goal horn, I would hit it. We have some bells and whistles going off right now. Nice little way to start the break. We have Global Impact for the Preds. Fila, Kevin Fila. And then we have Chris Weidman, 0317 of 1999 for the Senators. It's great to see some of you guys from back when I used to break 5 days a week in the room on Breakers tonight. There's Weidman. There's that. Just to do a double check. It's been a while since I've cracked this stuff. Good there. Glenn, Walt. Gary's been around almost since day one. His buddy Searle, I think, is the one that got him into this channel. $10.32 of $14.99. Victor Arvidsson for the Preds. If you're talking to Searle there, Gary, tell him I said hi. I was talking to him last week there on Facebook. There's that. $0117 of $14.99. Sergei Plotnov for the Penguins. We have 340 of 999, Charles Hooden for Montreal. Grab your spots on the site, guys. We fill the second half of this. I'll bust it for you. There's that. Box 1. On to box 2. Gary, Walt, Todd, Glenn, Justin, Yotes, and Eves. Great to have you guys on Breakers. Everybody on Facebook Live, thanks for joining and watching. We have Jonas Dosky, 212 of 499 for the Sharks. Might not be able to pick it up there. Who's got Sharks? Kevin, I think? Or Kyle, sorry, Kyle. You have slight roller marks, buddy. Talk to me about this one. I'm not sure the camera will pick it up. I'll message you after. It's a nice card, though. Any damaged cards, I like to work it out with the members. He's got slight roller marks both ways, actually, so I'll message you. There we go. We have Patrick Waugh, 249 of 499 for the Canadians. You guys that just joined in on the Facebook Live, go down to your gear on the bottom of the video. Make sure it's broadcasting at 720 so you can get the high quality of it. 0878 of 1999. Mackenzie Snapsky for the Rangers. We have Jeremy Roenick for the Kings, LA Kings. Frozen Fabrics. Also, you guys going to be at the Expo in the spring in Toronto. Sports Card Expo. Check us out at Come Say Hi. Booths 401, 401A. It's always a great time at the Expo. (0556) of 1499. Anthony Stolarz for the Flyers. Next live broadcast will be at on Thursday. Still got spots available in the Upper Deck Block single box. 1147 of 1499. Andrew Kopp for the Jets. Second half of this case is posted up in the website. $25 a spot. Guys, there's 23, I think it was, left when before we came on to do this one. I know Darren was going to grab a spot, a couple others, so go and scoop them up. If it's full by the time we get this done, I'll do it. Global Impact. Stanislav Galeov for the Capitals. Global Impact insert. We have 150 of 799. 150 of 799. Ice Premiers level 2. Retro. Sprong. Going out to the Penguins. Anybody that's grabbed spots in this break and has spots in the second half, I'll hold your packages. I'll message you to make sure it's alright. Or you can message me after you watch the video. Hold it over until after Thursday's break. If you're fine with that, or I can ship tomorrow. Messages later. A lot of you guys got spots over in that one too, so I'll see how many cards you have. If it's a lot, then I'll just ship it. Thanks to everybody for joining. Box 3. We have Noah Hanifin, 132 of 399. Going out to the Hurricanes. $653 of 999. Domingue. Louis Domingue. Going out to the Coyotes. $0460 of 1999. Jonas Kapanen. Going out to the Bruins. Virtanen for the Canucks, Global Impact. Malcolm Subban going out to the Bruins. 0186 of 1299. World Juniors Championship insert. Got a whole lot of base. Same thing with this one. This has a little bit of roller marks too. It's not visual until you glare it. We have Radek Faska, 483 of 499 for the Stars. Sitting here, look at it, you can't see it. It's not like it's a total write-off. They're known for it anyways. You have to actually put it on an angle to see it. There you go. And then we have these base underneath here. I always double check stuff. Those are those. We have a quad going out to the Preds. Philip Forsberg, Roman Josi, Shea Weber, Pekka Rinne, Frozen Fabric Quad, or Frozen Foursome, sorry. That's the proper term. Going out to the Predators. Nice little hit there for ease. And then we have base. .0758 of 1999. Joel Verman going out to the Lightning. Oh, we have 0645 of 1499. Antoine Slepyshev. Who do you guys think I thought it was? Seen that Oilers slide through there. It's like, really? There we go. Alright, base and base and base, all base. Alright, on to box 4. Last box, good luck guys. Grab your spots on the website, let's fill up the last 4, get last 4 boxes gone. Fill them up right now. I'll bust them tonight. Grab up your spots. Good luck. Thanks for joining. 16-17 trilogies posted on the website. Single box of UD Blacks posted on the website. We have rinkside signings. Yuri Hudler for the Flames. It'd be better if I take those off so you can see right through it. Very nice card. I always like the look of these ones. And I need to open up some more. For the guys watching on Twitch TV, come over to breakers.tv/Canadian Cards. That's where the main chat is, or on Facebook Live. On Facebook.com/Canadian Cards. Just knows there's some watchers over there. Sam Bennett, 0812 of 12.99 for the Flames. Come over, grab your spots. Fill the second half of this. We have 220 of 249 for the Vancouver Canucks. Exquisite collection. Auto. Jake Virtanen. Very nice hit. That's goal horn worthy. Nice little hit. There you go, Kurt. Thanks for all the bumps, all the support, and waiting it out. Nikolai Golubon, 319 of 799 retro for the Sharks. Good night. Love you. Nikolai Golubin, fresh threads for the Sharks. $11.14 of $14.99. Brett Peace for the Hurricanes. Feel like there's some goodies on those last 4 boxes, guys. Let's hope for some mojo in these last packs. We have Mikko Virtanen, Global Impact. We have Duncan Siemens, 1362 of 1999. For the Avs. Last pack. We have 377 of 999 for the Canucks. Ben Hutton. All right, guys. there's the end of break 235. Thanks again for joining. Get this uploaded for everyone who wasn't able to watch. And have yourself a great night. Work on filling 238. Take care, guys. Thanks again.